सुनी वैष्णव जी, माननीय सदस्यगण, कुछ नए सदस्य जो आए हैं उनकी सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट हैज टू कम फ्रॉम द पार्टीज, वो सारे नहीं आए इसलिए नाम रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं कर रहे. I'll call श्री ए नवनीत कृष्णन जी.
Thank you, sir. Now the Honorable Minister, Law Minister has moved two very important bills. I welcome both bills, sir. But modern God is success. Every Indian is loving the litigation. Whether he is having a good case, bad case, it is immaterial. To my limited experience as a practicing lawyer, we must win the case. So, that is why I said initially, the modern God.
We have appeared together in many cases in the Madras High Court and also in the Supreme Court.
No, our law minister has guided me, helped me, and taught me the law. I must acknowledge it. No. He is very brilliant.
Please come on
and
the
also magnanimous.
Please.
He has accommodated
Please.
to the extent maximum.
Please come on the
Thank you. Sir, so the modern God is success. In Indian context, every litigant wants to win the case. This is the whole problem. But in the arbitration process, that it is defined as consensual, neutral, binding, private, and enforceable, and also faster and less expensive. So that is why the method of disposal of a dispute, namely, that is called alternative dispute resolution, namely arbitration. Now, arbitration is not possible in sensitive issues. I don't want to say what is a sensitive issue. Even the Supreme Court has appointed well-known arbitration professionals, but the result is yet to come. Because that is why I am telling is, in Indian context, sensitive issues cannot be settled by way of arbitration or conciliation or any other method, only by adjudication. And then, now we are, the new arbitration called investment arbitration is now very, very popular, because our economy is depending upon the investment from abroad, subject to correction. So, not correct. Okay. So now investment arbitration, the investors expect the state governments to accept for an arbitration. But as rightly pointed out by our senior member, Mr. Sharma, the Tata Docomo case and other cases are there. But my understanding, if I am wrong, kindly correct me, the foreign companies are exploiting the India. It's by one way or other, legally or otherwise. But we are being exploited not only by East India Company, but also by latest new companies. And also, now, apart from the fourth estate, now the fifth estate has come in place. A book also published. The technological giants are taking over the democracy also. So now, my humble submission would be, the process of arbitration is good, provided both parties must agree to it, and also it is a welcome feature, because with regard to the selection of arbitrator, industry expert, suppose domain knowledge, as our new member has put it, domain expertise. A person who is well versed in particular field can be nominated as an arbitrator and expected to discharge his duties independently without any bias. Now, everywhere bias. The recent example is the Jadhav case, Pakistan member dissented. So now, after all, we are all human beings. But the welcome feature in these two bills are that the Council for Arbitration Council, it is a must one. Then only we can develop this branch of litigating, developing this dispute resolving process. And another, the new member also mentioned Chennai. I would like to draw the kind attention. I thank our Honorable Law Minister, because there is a provision in section 4.2. The head office of the center shall be at New Delhi, and it may, with the previous approval of the central government, establish branches at other places in India and abroad. So, our central government can establish the International Arbitration Centre in Chennai or in Calcutta, Bombay, and also in Singapore, in anywhere else. So there is a provision to that effect. I thank our Law Minister. And also, and very many good features are found in these new bills, and there may be some 1 or 2 shortcomings. Over the period, in due course, it can be rectified. I welcome, and also I thank our Honorable Law Minister for bringing these 2 bills. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sri